Yeah, I missed the initial pouring out, but considering how bad this cover looks, I thought I'd go ahead and swap it out and, get some new diff fluid. Didn't look too bad. We'll see in a minute once we open this all the way up. Alright, got the pinion seal out. See, the old one didn't come out too much trouble. It was pretty rough. I understand why it's leaking now, or was leaking. That's what anyone looks like. Good old Timken. Gotta love them. A little cleanup, come back together, be all good. Still waiting on new bolts for that cover. That's just on there temporary. Just a little bit of RTV to keep stuff out of it. Be alright though. Now seems like a good time to film, as long as no one without a muffler drives by again. Well, we're getting this together. Nice and squared, marking out. Just doing a quick little update video here for myself. Probably just add this into a big conglomerate. So we're all done there. Got a new pinion seal in, you can see. New ABS sensor. That's all on. I got 10 new bolts. Despite that guy on eBay trying to scam me, sending me 4 bolts. Then just going to the dealership to get new ones. Like, yeah, I need 10 volts. How am I supposed to reuse that? And that's one of the better ones. But give that a day or two. Probably 2 to be on the safe side. For the RTV sealant to finish setting up and put some fluid in it, and then we can actually drive this again. You see, we got all our spacers welded on. Not the greatest welder, but it'll do. Put some strikes over there. I'm gonna do some angles here. Make some unnecessary cutoffs here, because I'll probably never tow anything, but it'll look cool. Then we can put the lights here. Well, not too bad. Also got these scratches fixed up as much as I care to. This is where the bed was riding on the cab. So I gave it a little wet sand, a little clean, little clear coat. Ain't going nothing fancy. No one ever gonna see this again. Just need to stop it from rusting. That's all. So a little touch up there, but it's all work track, who cares? Right? Now, it would be convenient if the frame was actually parallel to each other. But this is what we got. It's not that bad. And 3 out of the 4 bolts still line up. So all we really had to do was make some little brackets there. Easy. Not even that far off. Not so far off we even have to worry too much about engineering it. Just slap it together. Alright, that's enough for now. And Friday update. We got everything tacked together. So far with the base. It's looking pretty good. Only had to cut my tacks once to straighten things out. But it's on there good. Got the fiberglass blanket to protect the gas tank. No reason to risk it. I'm pretty sure the splatter from the flux core welding wouldn't bother it too much, but I have it. May as well use it, you know what I mean? Got a nice angled bit here. Nice spot for the license plate right here. I'm gonna get some tail lights right there. Things are looking good.